Qatar negotiations that are going on. How hopeful and on board are you on those negotiations that they will succeed?
I have stated before, I'm not very optimistic about Qatar negotiation uh, because it's already deadlocked. Because you cannot really, bring peace between the two parties. There might be a deal or an agreement, but that's not peace for Afghanistan. So therefore, already Qatar is a deadlock, and I'm not very optimistic about that one. We really have to start a new chapter, a very comprehensive peace process. Everybody should be included. Everybody should be on board, especially the ethnicities of Afghanistan. They are vital for the peace process.
Your visit to Pakistan, and have you, I mean, today you met the Prime Minister. Have you seen any changes that were cause of complaint for Afghans in the past?
Obviously, as I mentioned before, that I have seen changes. That's why I've come here. We hope to really see the very practical implementation of these changes. Obviously, what I have heard from the leadership of Pakistan, they have said that the world has changed. So therefore, Pakistan also have changed, their strategy has changed. So therefore, since we are in the 21st century, really we have to think about how to uh, bring peace to Afghanistan. Because at the end of the day, no military victory can succeed to bring peace. We all know that one. So in this 21st century, we really have to use all the ways it means, especially diplomacy and talks, negotiation, in order to bring peace to Afghanistan. Yes, I have seen the changes.
So, what sort of changes have you noticed? I mean, what?
Well, the things that I just stated and talked, the same thing I heard from the leadership of Pakistan, especially from the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan. The same thing that he said, that the world has changed, Pakistan has changed, our strategy has changed. That's what we're waiting for.
There had been an impression in Afghanistan and also in Pakistan that Pakistan has always been supporting Pashtuns. Do you think Pakistan mind this old perception here is changed or not?
Well, what you stated, that was the policy. We all know that one. But of course, since I came, one of the big changes that the Pakistani leadership continuously, they are stating that one, that it has changed and they want to have relation with all ethnicities in Afghanistan. There is not a kind of a favorite side or the other disfavorite. So exactly they said the same thing. That's why they have invited us, our delegation, for the first time we have come here. Why we came here? Because the strategy have changed. Because what my late brother Masood said, that if the strategy of Pakistan changes, then of course that will open the way for a dialogue and for peace. That's exactly what we are here.
But you say they say, Pakistanis say. Have you realized that this change is true?
Well, right now we heard that one. We are convinced. But of course we really have to see in practical terms. We are a long way to go. We really have to see.